It is becoming a everyday news how comedians actually go ahead in buying cars, building houses, and making a lot of achievements in their life. So you can actually do this as a non-comedian or as a upcoming comedian. I'm going to be giving you the tips right now to actually make money also as they do. So welcome back to my channel, and this is Apian Plug. I make reviews about online investment platform, basically how to make money online and also entertainment sometimes. So you can go ahead to smack on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell icon for new viewers. Without wasting much of our time, let's move straight into the video for today. So how comedians actually make money online. Right now, we all know that the crypto and also the internet space, it is the best way to make money online right now. The internet space is actually very large, and you can actually go into a sector of it of making money online. So the first thing you need to know right now is comedians are content creator. They actually go ahead to make content for people to actually put a smile on our face. So how do they get paid? By putting smile on our face. There are different areas of them being getting paid. So I'm going to be talking about them one by one. So the first tip I'm going to be talking about right now is payment from platform. Comedians actually get paid through platform, just like Facebook page and YouTube channel right now. So these are the area they will get paid. This is one of them. And once they actually post videos on YouTube and Facebook, while watching, you notice that ads actually pop up right there. Then these are the way to make revenues for them. You can actually do the same thing without becoming a comedian, just like a content creator. If you want to get all those tips, you can write at the comment section, I want to learn how to become a content creator as a YouTuber. I'm going to make video about this and drop a comment also for you. Then we can actually start from there. So right now, the second area to make money and how comedians actually make money is actually from products. If you notice most of this particular video you watch right now, by the end or before the end, comedian actually promotes a product. So the common one right now is the Octa FX. You actually notice Octa FX, Octa FX. So this is a brand that actually paid a comedian to actually use their influence to bring people into their platform, and they are going to be getting paid for doing that. So the next tip to make money online and how comedian actually make money as a content creator is about going to shows. So when a program is coming on and actually invite a comedian to come and perform or make an entertainment speech right there, they are going to be getting paid with a lot of treatment right now. So that is also an area to make money online. So you are making money by working as yourself or with yourself without anybody in charge, just having your manager and having your team around you without working under anyone. This is a perfect way to make money online. So online space is actually the best way to actually come ahead to make money online. And that is the revenue which the comedian are actually using to make money online. So to get more tips and to know more about how to make money online and also as a comedian or a non-comedian, go straight to the comment section and I'm going to be dropping more updates about this. And thank you for watching.